Hello guys, you're all welcome. I've been craving garden egg and plantain for a while now because it's been a long time I ate it. I decided to cook it. Please watch from the start to the end and let me to share. You will love it. Thank you. I really did this the traditional way, okay? So I boiled my garden egg with onions and scotch bonnet pepper, also known as fresh pepper, the green pepper. So I decided to use this African grinder you are seeing here. It makes it more easier. So I just match it a little, and as you can see, it is okay. I don't want it to be too smooth, okay? Because if it is too smooth, I won't like it. I've already fried my fish. I used just one fresh mackerel fish. That's the oil I used to fry the fish. After frying the fish, I added my palm oil, also known as red oil. I want to use red oil. That's how I like it this time. You can also use vegetable oil. It's okay. So I added onions, my crayfish. Then I'm going to stir. After doing that, it's time to add the garden egg. Remember, the garden egg is already cooked. I just have to cook it not so long after frying it, like after putting it in the pot and all that. So I added my seasoning, my rest of the crayfish, I added it also. I have to stir and taste for salt. The salt was not enough, so I added a little more salt. Now I'm going to stir again and thereafter add my already fried mackerel fish. I'm going to stir and then cover for like 3 to 5 minutes to cook on a low heat. And guys, as you can see, that's it. The sauce is ready. I really enjoyed this sauce and it was so good that I was able to cook it again because I was really craving garden egg sauce. So I used plantain to eat it. Remember, plantain is also very healthy and I really enjoyed it. It was very soft and delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. Please don't keep this video to yourself. Help me to share, comment, like, and follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. I am everywhere. Thank you. Bye.